Hi everyone, this is a very quick video on how to add your Maggie frames into your Embrilliance Essentials software. I have shown how to do this before. I'm sure there will be a video somewhere on my channel in the sewing playlist. But somebody called Malinda emailed me after watching my recent video where I showed you how you can create your own designs in Canvas Workspace. And then by using Embrilliance Stitch Artist 2, you can then turn what would have previously been a cut or draw file into an embroidery stitch file. She watched that video and then emailed me and said, but how do I add the Maggie frames into Embrilliance Essentials? So that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. So I've got my Embrilliance Essentials, just the basic essentials program, opened here. And to add a custom frame, you go up to this yellow folder at the top and select it. Under environment, if you click this downward arrow, or on yours it might be a plus sign or something if you use Windows, I use a Mac, select that and it brings up hoops. Select your hoops, and then in here you can see I've already added some. I've actually deleted one that I'm going to re-add to show you how to do it. So all as you do is you click on New. A box will open up. You can name it. I'm going to call it Maggie Frame 3x4. Then in the box underneath, you've got to convert your measurement to millimeters. 3-inch width in millimeters is 76.2. I'm going to type that in there. And 4-inch high is 101.6. So I'm going to type that in the height. I'm going to say OK, and then I'm going to click apply and OK. Now that's chosen that hoop now just by default because that's the one I've just added. So if I go back to the yellow box at the top to properties and under hoops, you will now see that my Maggie frame 3x4 is in here. That's it. That's all you do. And it doesn't have to be a Maggie frame, you know, it could be a mighty hoop, it can be any other type of frame that you use, but that is how you add a custom hoop or frame to your Embrilliance Essentials. So I hope, Malinda, that has helped. And for anybody else that may have been wondering, you know, if or how you can do this, that's how to do it. So that's this week's quick tip video. Bye for now.